Art and culture are the colors of life. Without them, the canvas of existence would be dull and incomplete. A very warm good afternoon, one and all gathered here. On behalf of St. Aloysius deemed to be University, it is my privilege and joy to welcome you all to Kalotsava 2025, the grand inauguration of our cultural activities for the academic year 25-26. St. Aloysius deemed to be University believes in the all-round development of the students. Education here goes beyond academics. It is about nurturing talent, building confidence, and shaping well-rounded individuals. The vibrant student engagement cell, internal as well as external, plays a key role in this mission, encouraging students to participate, lead, and excel in both extracurricular and co-curricular activities. From cultural events to leadership programs, it offers countless opportunities for personal growth, reflecting its commitment to holistic education. Today is not just another date on our calendar. It is the start of a vibrant journey where creativity meets tradition, where the stage becomes a canvas and every performance a beststroke. Here, we celebrate the poetry in dance, the rhythm in music, the drama in theater, and the passion in every art form. Culture is not something we merely preserve. It is something we live, breathe, and pass on to the future generations. So once again, I extend my warm and hearty welcome to Kalotsava 2025. Indian classical dance is more than a performance. It is the heartbeat of our heritage. Through graceful movements and rhythmic footwork, it tells stories that have been passed down for generations, blending devotion with artistry. This evening, we are privileged to experience three jewels of our tradition: the soulful elegance of Odissi, the spiritual depth of Bharatanatyam, and the rhythmic splendor of Kathak. Bringing these art forms to life is by our very own Nritya ensemble, the pride of our college, and a group dedicated to celebrating the richness of India's classical heritage. Dear all, please put your hands together for the welcome dance by Nritya ensemble. Thank you, group, for that mesmerizing dance performance. Every campus has its own heartbeat, and ours beats to the rhythm of creativity, talent, and unforgettable moments. This special video presentation is more than a highlight reel. It's a vibrant collage of everything that made our cultural year remarkable. From electrifying performances on our own stage to our students marking their presence outside the campus. From music and dance to drama and fashion, every frame captures the sight of spirit, passion, and pride of our college family. Dear audiences, kindly sit back and relive these cherished moments in this special video presentation.
अब चल आजा रे थर 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 हाँ कांपे थर थर हाँ डर डर जी से डर अब नाना बातों में बोला बोला रे बोला मोर बदला रे दिल का भूगोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय हे धिन धड़ाक आ जाओ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम
ताना धीम धीम ताना चतुलतो प्राण में नाट्यम చేసే గతులతో నామ శతం మూల నతులతో నా పైన నీ చూపు ఆపేలా శరణంటినే జనని నాద వినోదిని భువన పాలిని వే అనాథ రక్షణ నీ విధి కాదటే మొరవిని చేరవటే
For the formal program, we have with us Reverend Dr. Pravan Martis SJ, Vice Chancellor of St. Aloysius deemed to be University, Ms. Tanvi Rao, Chief Guest, a proud alumni of our institution and a professional actress, Vidushi Vidyashri Radhakrishna, Guest of Honor, Distinguished Classical Artist and Cultural Contributor, Reverend Dr. Melvin Dikunna SJ, Pro Vice Chancellor of St. Aloysius Institutions, Dr. Alvin Dessa, Registrar of St. Aloysius College Autonomous, Dr. Ronald Nazareth, Registrar of St. Aloysius deemed to be University, Mr. Anson Rego at the helm of the Students' Council as its President, Ms. Shravani K. Bhatt at the heart of the Students' Council as its Cultural Secretary. I kindly request Ms. Sahana Devariga, the convener of today's program, and Mr. Naveen Mascarenis, Chair of Student Engagement Cell, to kindly escort the dignitaries onto the dais. Every gathering is an opportunity to weave harmony, share warmth, and celebrate the bonds that make us one. With this spirit in mind, it is time to officially open our celebration. To extend a heartfelt greeting to our dignitaries, faculty members, and to every Alotian present here, I now invite Mr. Navin Mascarenhas, Chair of Student Engagement Cell, to deliver the welcome address for Kalotsava 2025.
Thank you. Good evening. I think by looking at the days, students are worried maybe how many speeches we have to listen. No, all speeches are going to be very short, including mine. I'm delighted to stand before you this evening to welcome you all to the inaugural program of cultural activities for the academic year 25-26 of the university, the Kalotsava 2025. First and foremost, I welcome warmly the chief guest of the day, Ms. Tanvi Rao. Ms. Tanvi Rao is an accomplished performing artist from Mangalore. She is a recipient of the prestigious Alotian Youth Icon Award 2024. She is well known for her work in the Kannada TV serial Lakshmi Baramma. On behalf of St. Aloysius deemed to be University, a very warm welcome to you, the Alotian Youth Icon, Ms. Tanvi Rao. I request our dear Vice Chancellor, Dr. Praveen Mati CSJ, to offer a welcome green sapling to Ms. Tanvi Rao. You may keep clapping. Thank you. A cordial welcome to Vidushi Vidyashri, the founder of Ghana Nritya Academy, Mangaluru. She is a Bharatanatyam soloist, teacher, choreographer, vocalist, and a performed Nattuvanar. We are happy to know that she is the teacher of our cultural secretary, Shravani Bhatt. Madam, you must be proud that your student is leading the cultural activities of the university this year. A warm welcome to you, to our university, and to this function. Welcome. I request our Pro Vice Chancellor, Reverend Father Melvin Dikuna SJ, to offer a sapling to Vidushi Vidyashri. Our Vice Chancellor and President of today's function, Reverend Dr. Praveen Mati SJ, is a source of strength, and under his able leadership, we have begun engineering and law programs at our university from this current academic year. Due to his continued support, guidance, and motivation, our university took part in 79 cultural events at different places in the country last academic year. And we have won 17 overall trophies, 6 runners-up trophies, and in 49 cultural events, we won individual or group prizes. Dear Father, a hearty welcome to you to this program. I welcome Reverend Dr. Melvin Dikuna SJ, the Pro Vice Chancellor of the University, to Kalotsava 2025. Welcome, dear Father. Registrar of our university, Dr. Ronald Nazareth, give his valuable suggestions from time to time and promote the participation of students in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. A warm welcome to you, dear sir. Convener of the program is Assistant Professor Ms. Sahana from the Department of Chemistry. President of the Student Council for the year 2025-26 is Mr. Anson Rego from 3rd BCom. And the Cultural Secretary is Ms. Shravani Bhatt from 2nd year BA. To you all, a hearty welcome. A hearty welcome to you, dear Dr. Ishwar Bhatt, Director of Xavier Block of the University. Sir has efficiently guided the student activities for 7 years. Dear sir, we place on record your services to the student community and the institution and welcome you affectionately to this program. I welcome the directors. I see Dr. Charles Furtado here, Director of RDC, Dr. Chandrasekhar Shetty, and the Controller of Examination, the Finance Officer, and chairpersons and co-chairpersons of different disciplines to this inaugural function. A warm welcome to you all. Cordial welcome to all the members of the staff members of the Student Engagement Cell, Student Council members to this program. The program is organized especially to welcome the budding cultural enthusiasts and talents of first-year UG programs. I am confident that each one of you present today in this hall will make it to the stage one or the other day, in one or more occasions, somewhere in our country. I welcome you all. I welcome all the students of second and third year who have performed and will be performing today after the formal program to Kalotsava 2025. Thank you for all your support. Kindly guide and encourage the first year students to perform in big stage events. I would like to recognize the presence of father of our chief guest, Ms. Tanvi Rao. Ms. Ari Prasad is alumni of our institution, passed out BCom in the year 1988. Warm welcome to you, sir. Last but not the least, I welcome the students from the media cell, members from the press and media, the technical support team, staff to the inaugural of the program, Kalotsava 2025. Welcome one and all.
Thanks a lot, sir, and a warm welcome to you too. Light is the herald of hope, and even a single flame can awaken the dawn. With this thought, I warmly invite our distinguished dignitaries to commence today's festivities by kindling the ceremonial lamp, thus marking the formal inauguration of Kalotsav 2025, the grand opening of the cultural events of the academic year 25-26. Thank you, dignitaries. May this light ignite the spark of knowledge in every student's heart. Every great celebration is honored by the presence of distinguished personalities who inspire us with their vision, creativity, and leadership. To acquaint us with our esteemed chief guest for Kalotsava 2025, we have amidst us Ms. Tanvi Rao, a proud alumna of St. Aloysius Institutions. May I now request Mr. Anson Rego, President of Students' Council, to introduce her to the gathering.
Good evening to one and all gathered here. It is my immense pleasure and honor to introduce our esteemed chief guest for today's Kalotsava celebration, Ms. Tanvi Rao. Tanvi Rao is celebrated Bharatanatyam artist whose journey with dance began at the tender age of 4 under the mentorship of Vidushi Srimati Geeta Saralaya and Vidushi Srimati Rashmi Chidanand. At just 10, she achieved the remarkable milestone of performing her Bharatanatyam Ranga Pravesha in a packed Mangalore town hall, a performance that later drew personal praise from none other than former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Her passion and dedication to the art form earned her the Karnataka State Award for Exceptional Cultural Achievement. By the age of 17, she had completed her Vidwa with distinction, and her performance have graced many of the stage across India as well as USA, where she received standing ovation in all 9 cities of her American tour. A gifted choreographer, she has stamped in national level dance competitions. Her artistic expression exceeds beyond the stage. To the screens, she has acted alongside legendary names like Madhuri Dixit, Juhi Chauhan, Vinod Khanna, Manoj Bajpayee, and many other legendary actors. Her films include Gulab Gang, Guns of Banaras, and many others. I'm sorry. Not only that, she's currently captivating all the audience who watch her as Kirti in popular Colors Kannada TV serial Lakshmi Baramma. Equally accomplished, not only in cultures, also in academics. She scored outstanding of 98% in both 10th and 12th. Along with that, graduated as first rank holder in BA Performing Arts, Psychology and English in Christ University. Along with that, she is recognized by People's Favorite Style Icon Award in Anubandha Awards and Aloysian Youth Icon Award. Graceful, talented, and deeply inspiring, she is a rare blend of artistry, intellect, and charm, a true role model for aspiring artists and dreamers alike. With immense pride and joy, we extend to you, ma'am, a warm and heartfelt welcome to Kalotsava 2025.
Now, it is time to be inspired by our chief guest, Ms. Tanvi Rao. May I request you, ma'am, to kindly take the stage and share your valuable insights with us.
First of all, for this opportunity, all the dignitaries on stage, Father, ma'am, it's an honor to be here with you. And I'd really like to mention a great thank you to Ms. Sahana, Shravani, and Anson for coming all the way home and inviting me for the event. And thank you, Anson, for the wonderful introduction. No, it was very, very, very sweet. I don't know what I can say to inspire you guys because you guys are so talented, so much spark. I was very, very touched by the prayer song today. It was so beautiful. The vibrant welcome dance was so beautiful. And watching that video, honestly, I felt like I should come back to St. Aloysius and start learning again and be a student here again. Pablo Picasso once said that every child is an artist, but the problem is how to remain one when he grows up. And I truly believe that. Everybody has a creative energy. Someone likes to write, someone likes to paint, someone likes to see the world through the camera. But as we all get consumed by the practicality and the fast pace of this world, we sort of lose in touch with our inner child that just wants to jump and laugh. And what art does is, I think, it tries to get us in touch with that little curious child so we can get new perspectives on everything inside and everything outside. I feel like art is like our mother tongue. We're all born with a capability and an understanding of it. And language does not just help us communicate or express, it helps us to survive. So I'm just trying to say that you don't have to practice art and be part of these cultural events because you want to become an artist one day. Everybody needs art, is what I believe. Because we all know that because of social media and academic pressures and so many things happening today, this generation is very, very prone to a lot of mental health problems, stress, depression, and all sorts of things. And art, I truly believe, and I have seen, helps you survive the most difficult times of your life. And developing your creativity can help you deal with anything. It can help you in any creative field or any field that you choose to take once you graduate. And more than anything, art will always be your best friend. It will always be something that you can go back home to. So I truly believe that at this stage, in this age, everybody should practice art, something that they enjoy. But how to do that, right? There's so much happening around us. And that's why I feel very, very, very proud that I am part of this institute, St. Aloysius, which really helps you balance both your academic as well as your creative endeavors. I mean, look at those trophies. I have said this enough number of times. When I was in PU, I studied my PU here. I was traveling all around, like Anson mentioned, I was traveling around US, I was giving performances, and very last minute, just before my second PU exams, I got an offer to act in a film. And my principal back then told me, if you are sure that you're not going to regret it, go ahead, we'll support you. And I was very, very afraid, but I decided to go for it. I used to, sit in shoot and try to sit and study, and everybody judged me. But I used to try to be in touch with my teachers on WhatsApp, and as soon as the shoot got over, I came back. I had, I think, 3 weeks left before my second PU exams, and I had to cover up almost a year's academic portion in those 3 weeks, and I was really, really freaking out. But my teachers went out of their way. They gave me extra tuitions, they literally counseled me, and they filled me with so much confidence. And if I was not in St. Aloysius, I could not have achieved what he just said. I could not have done a movie and secured 98% in PCMB. And we recently saw an example of Ramona having penned her name in history. And that also, I'm sure, would have been very, very difficult without a supporting institute like St. Aloysius. I recently saw on Instagram about Prakriti, who's part of the movie So From So. I heard about so many talented students from Mr. Naveen, sir. So I think that these are incredible talents, and it would be very, very difficult to achieve their dreams, to actually make these dreams come true, if not for the support of their parents, teachers, and wonderful institutes like St. Aloysius. So I believe that being a part of an institute like this, it is your right and your responsibility to make use, to utilize all the opportunities and live all the experiences that St. Aloysius is offering you, and make the most of it. And I feel very, very proud to watch these students achieve so much more and so much bigger than what we had. Every generation is doing so much better at such a younger age. And I feel like every generation is passing the beacon to the next generation. And every generation is taking the name of St. Aloysius to another platform. And I feel truly, truly inspired watching you guys. And I cannot wait to see what you all achieve while you are here. I also believe that more than anything that I've just said, it is most important to make the best of memories while you're here. Because the things that I remember now from St. Aloysius are running around Mangalore, trying to get some costumes, trying to fight for the stage space because it was never free, trying to, come up with the most random concepts and themes for a stage performance, and our teachers never saying no for any of it. Putting up events together, organizing events, and feeling so, so proud when students from other institutes came to our college and said, wow, I'm so mesmerized. This is St. Aloysius. This is how you put up festivals. And going to stage as a team and receiving an award and smiling from here to here. These are the little things that stay with you even after you leave. And the most beautiful part of St. Aloysius is that they never let go of you, even after you leave. It's been so many years since I've left St. Aloysius PUC, and still I'm here in front of you, and I'm speaking here in front of you. And this is what St. Aloysius does. It celebrates you. It really, really enjoys every little achievement every student makes, even if they've left this place. And so you constantly feel motivated to be better, to do better, because you're an Aloysian. And so I believe I say this every time I come back, that once an Aloysian, always an Aloysian. It's the most honest thing I can say to you, the only thing I can say to you. Give your best at everything you do here, and St. Aloysius will always hold you in its arms. All the best and lots of love. Thank you.
Ma'am, we deeply appreciate your encouraging words and thanks a lot for joining us on this wonderful occasion. Today, we also have with us Vidushi Vidyashri Radhakrishna, a distinguished artist and contributor to the world of classical music and dance. To present a formal introduction of our esteemed guest of honor, may I now invite Ms. Shravani K. Bhatt, Cultural Secretary of the Students' Council, to grace the podium.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good evening to one and all present here. Good evening, Father. Good evening, all the dignitaries. And hello, my dear friends. It is with immense pride and genuine warmth that I have the honor of introducing our guest of honor this evening, my Guru, Srimati Vidushi Vidyashri Radhakrishna. She is the founder and artistic director of Gana Nritya Academy, GNA, which she established in 1994 to promote classical music and dance, nurturing young talent in Bharatnatyam. Over the years, GNA has grown into one of India's leading academic, expanding its reach across the state and inspiring generations of performers. She has passionately guided countless students, including myself, in the pursuit of excellence in dance. With over 25 years of dedicated service to propagation of classical dance, she has performed at more than 1,000 venues in India and abroad. Her artistry has illuminated prestigious stages such as the Grand Mysore Dasara Festival, the vibrant Rajyotsava Utsav in London, and the Sarang Festival in South Korea, where she represented India under the auspices of the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, ICCR. She is also an artist recognized by the ICCR and a graded artist of Bengaluru Doordarshan. A versatile choreographer, vocalist, and Natuanar, she has led thematic productions through platforms like Nritya Dhara, Prerna, Nritya Nirantara, and Arohana. She has also performed and conducted lecture demonstrations for over 1,000 unprivileged students in rural schools, supported by the Ministry of Culture and the NGOs like Roots to Roots. Her work has reached audiences in Kuwait, Sri Lanka, and the UK, and her ensemble's performances have been featured on the national broadcasts, including Prasara Bharati ABU Festival. Many of her disciples have gone to flourish as soloists and teachers, carrying forward her artistic legacy. This evening, it's my supreme honor to welcome not just an incomparable artist, but my guiding light. Please join me in extending a heartfelt and joyous welcome to our esteemed guest of honor, Srimati Vidushi Vidyashri Radhakrishna. We are really honored to have you here, Miss.
Thank you, Shravani. Now, with great pleasure, I invite Vidushi Vidyashri Radhakrishna to kindly address the gathering.
Namaste to all the dignitaries on stage and in the front. Good evening to everybody gathered here. At the very outset, I'd like to congratulate all the achievers, record holders, award winners of this college, and the greatest wonderful support given by this glorious college. I congratulate everybody, including Tanvi and Ramona. Yeah, I'm not so fortunate like Tanvi. St. Aloysius was my dream college, but I could not come here. But I feel fortunate now because I can stand here for an event organized by this college. And dear students, I'm not going to give any lecture. I'm already warned by my daughter, who is studying in the second PU in this college, to not to do so. So I agree. I totally believe that we have to obey the future bosses. So you are the future bosses. The youth of today is so powerful, empowered, and smart enough to reach any heights if you wish to. Do you agree? So you don't need any advice. I'm just sharing some of my thoughts, my ideas. Since 30 years, I've been into this field as a classical dancer, as a classical musician. I should stress upon that field first. You can see Tanvi here grown to this level. I say with confidence that it's nothing but her practice of classical art. She has been a wonderful performer. I've seen her performing. Assuming that all the students gathered here are some or the other way connected to art, art enthusiasts. So the first thing I want to tell you that grab all the opportunities. Don't leave anything. It's not just in the college. You have provided such a wonderful opportunity, and the college is wonderful. You have to use each and every platform and bring out your ideas. Think about what your inner voice say. The second thing, be original. I have seen wonderful dancers dancing here. They have danced so well. I think the young generation, if you think of creating something new, it's not difficult at all. Yes, there are some performances where you're guided by your gurus, your mentors, your teachers, you have to perform that is there. But I've seen a lot of youngsters copying from some YouTube videos, and even without giving right credits, they are performing it. In my opinion, it's not right. You can create your own. As I said earlier, you are empowered. You have everything accessible within your finger touch. So you can make anything, any wonderful piece. Take it a theater work, a musical track, or a choreographic piece, you can do on your own. That is the second thing, be original. And definitely don't think about the end result. The process that you're going through gives you wonderful satisfaction, and whatever it is, that is yours. And you will be so happy and proud, and also you will be inspiring so many others to do their own. And the third thing, I can see this wonderful audience here. Okay, if you're there for that event, you're performing for that your event, or your friend is performing for that event, you will be going there, you are attending. What if you don't know the artist, you're not at all connected to the event? Do you attend the concerts? Do you attend the events, cultural events? So apart from the college events, I'm just asking, there are hundreds of beautiful events happening around. I think the youth in the audience is dwindling. It's so sad. See, there are moments of fun and laughter. If you don't like the event, you just want to hang out with your friends, you go to a movie. Yes, there are the moments of Bandaru, Bandaru, Bhav Bandaru. That is there. That has to be there. But how that movie is made, what is the root of that? All is nothing but classical arts. Indian art consists of dance, music, and theater. You have to watch others' performances. Then you get that motivation. It's not just for the entertainment, definitely not. You get a lot of experience. Yes, and I know, you might have heard of, being an artist is becoming a saint. Definitely not. You get that craziness in that. When you delve deeper into that, you definitely will start enjoying that. Definitely classical art, they are not for everybody. I know it's very boring. You feel it's outdated, old fashioned. But start going to such concerts just once a month. Go to such concerts. Definitely spend time there. Talk to the audiences, artists. Know their journey. Know the hard work they are putting into that particular concert. I really expect everybody in this audience coming to classical concerts, be it dance or music or theater or yakshagana. Those are the pride of our nation. That is the legacy that we have to carry forward. And definitely, as I said earlier, you have to watch movies and everything, that fun is there. But don't leave these real cultural aspects. On that note, because Tanvi has said everything, there is no point for me to mention. Me being an artist, I'd like to sing a song for you. A very small line. I always get inspired by Kannada poems. One poem of Panje Mangesh Rao. He, in Mooduvanu Ravi Mooduvanu, I think you might have heard that. The last line says, now you have to look at me, I'm dancing also. Those who say that we can't understand dance should understand this, should be able to at least. Yeruvanu Ravi Yeruvanu ಬಾನೊಳು ಸಣ್ಣಗೆ ತೋರುವನು ಏರಿದವನು ಚಿಕ್ಕವನಿರಬೇಕು ಎಂಬ ಮಾತನು ಸಾರುವನು Dear students, yes, rise and shine, be glorious, be bold, be courageous, be creative, but be empathetic, be humble. Thank you for this opportunity. Namaste.
Ma'am, we are so grateful for your uplifting message. It is with great honor that I now invite our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Reverend Father Pravin Matis, to share his valuable insights and vision with us through the presidential address.
Respected Miss Tanvi Rao, the chief guest, guest of honor Vidushi Vidyashree Radhakrishnan, Reverend Dr. Melvin Dikuna, the Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Honor Nazareth, the Registrar, Mr. Naveen Mascarenas, the Chair, Student Engagement External, Ms. Sahana, the Convener, and the Student President, Mr. Anson Rego, and the Cultural Secretary, Ms. Shravani Bhatt, all the guests of the days, my dear directors, deans, heads of the departments, members of the faculty, and students. Today we are celebrating Kalotsava 2025. I do not know what to speak when I see the great artists on the stage. Ms. Tanvi Rao, our proud alumna and also Elosian youth icon. When we started off, and she was the first one among the group to be achieved that. So we are very proud, and once again I congratulate you. And we have the Vidushi Vidyashree just now came on stage and spoke to us so beautifully. and gave, not she said advice, but shared a experience with us. So beautiful and mesmerizing. I think these two are the messages for the Kalotsava 2025. They truly embody what art is. You can see the passion and love in them. They're never tired. Look at them, the face is so bright and always smiling. I think that comes from the classical Bharatanatyam and the style that we have in India and the tradition. I think we need to take it from them and always embody that smile and also grace that I can see very strongly in them. You never get tired looking at them, and they also support. Shall we give them a round of applause for that art which really brings them up? When I say art, just looked at them, let me say something. I didn't know what to say today. Looked at them and I said, art, A-R-T. I immediately remembered, A is an attitude. Look at the attitude. She said, humble. When you go higher and higher, there was Father Ronnie Prabhu was a rector here. I always remember, always used to say, the teachers are like the ladder. But the ladder, the teachers will be in the lowest rung. The administrators, all of us, because we have done something and we are here. But then our pride will be to see our students going higher the rung of the ladder. And they have reached that. And also from Mangalore, they have reached that ladder, and still to go higher, we really feel so happy and joyful. And that's the way I'm looking forward to the students here sitting, looking forward to the stage. They said, grab the stage. Don't wait for it. As Tanvi said, there's no place at time. You'll have to fight for it to come on stage, but do that. I think that is where your passion and love will come. When you passionately get involved, you can also see your attitude becomes more and more humble, and you're always received. Recently, you see Ramona and also Prakriti Amin, both of them made us proud recently for their performance, either as a world record or acting in Sue from So. I just watched Sue from So. You may not believe it. I like to watch movies. But what I liked was the trend. I keep telling the others how the trends keep changing. We were youngsters, we saw movies with heroes and only heroines and moving around the trees and all that. But I don't see in Sue and So something different. There's no as such a hero or heroine, something different. And something very basic of Mangalore. When we grew up, what was the tradition? That is somehow is depicted beautifully and people are watching it. And in the past, people are not going to watch that. So I see the trends have changed. I think it's something very good. I feel it is something very special. Otherwise, we'll be just imitating the Bollywood or Hollywood. Let us now maybe Collywood is over, maybe Tollywood, Tulu Nadu, and something might come up here. So that is the attitude. Second is the respect. R is, I always feel, respect. We need to respect everyone, every art, and everything that comes up. That is where these people go higher and higher. When you respect every form and every human being, every being on the earth, that is the level you can go and also see, find God in all things. So that is where you truly feel that this whole home, the planet is our home. And the last one, the T I felt, is all our senses. One of the senses will come is touch. When you say the art, the beautiful thing that happened, it touches. Touches our emotions. And that is where they make a difference, and that becomes a basic of any part of a region. And for us in Mangalore, like Yakshagana or something very special of this mud, that is something very, very special. That touches us. That should be told, that story of that to be told the whole of the earth and everywhere around the world. And they have gone around the world creating that story in their own imagination and creativity and bringing people together. Let this art form bring us all together. Let's all move as one humanity. bringing that kind of a love to art. And you're all art enthusiasts sitting here, looking forward to the chances for another 2 to 3 years in the university. We'll have ample opportunities. Grab every opportunity and give chance to the other. Always remain, as Tanvi said, once an Alotian, always an Alotian. But remember, Alotians always become men and women for and with others. They take everyone along and make a difference in the society. Thank you. Wish you all the best. God bless us.
Thank you, Father, for your insightful words. Now, as we wrap up this wonderful inaugural ceremony, I would like to call upon the ever-efficient Ms. Sahana Devadiga, the convener of today's program, to propose the oath of thanks.
Gratitude is the memory of heart, a way honoring the people and moments that make difference. Respected dignitaries on and off the dais, it's my immense joy to stand before you today to deliver the oath of thanks on this grand occasion of Kalotsava 2025, marking the official inauguration of our university's cultural calendar. First and foremost, my heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Ms. Tanvi Rao, for gracing this occasion with her presence. Your inspiring words and creative journey have truly set the tone for the vibrant festivals that lies ahead. Thank you for sharing your experience and reminding our students the power of art and self-expression. On behalf of St. Aloysius Institution, I extend a heartfelt gratitude to Ms. Tanvi Rao. May I now request Dr. Ronal Nazrat to hand over a memento as a token of love and gratitude to Ms. Tanvi. Thank you, sir. I would like to take this moment to sincerely thank our guest of honor, Vidushi Vidyashree Radhakrishna, for your presence and for bringing such a graceful aura to the celebration. Your commitment to preserving and promoting our rich cultural heritage is deeply admirable. Thank you to you, ma'am. May I now request Dr. Naveen Mascarenhas to hand over a memento as a token of love and gratitude to Vidushi Vidyashree Radhakrishna. We are honored to have very talented artists in our campus. One among them is Murtaza, a student of 2nd BSc Data Science, who is also a part of Fine Arts Association. He has creatively brought our distinguished guest into life through a beautiful photo portrait. May I request Murtaza to please come forward and present the special artwork of yours to our guest, along with our Honorable Vice Chancellor. Thank you, Murtaza, and thank you, dignitaries. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis, SJ, Honorable Vice Chancellor of our university. Your unwavering support and encouragement for the student community to excel not just academically, but also extracurricular and cultural pursuits has been a driving force behind the vibrant student life we cherish on our campus. Thank you, Father. A sincere thanks to our Pro Vice Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Melvin Dikuna, SJ, for gracing this occasion. Thank you, Father. I take this moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Ronal Nazrat, Registrar of St. Aloysius deemed to be University. Thank you, sir. I thank Mr. Naveen Mascarenhas, Chair, Student Engagement Cell External, for his constant support and encouragement. His meticulous planning and dedication have been the backbone of this program, ensuring its success and impact. Thank you, sir. A special thank you to our Student Council President, Mr. Anson Rego, for leading from the front and actively supporting the cultural endeavors of the campus. Thank you, Anson. I would like to place on record our sincere appreciation for our Student Cultural Secretary, Ms. Shravani K. Bhatt. Her leadership, coordination, and tireless efforts behind the scenes have been instrumental in bringing Kalotsava 2025 to life. Thank you, Shravani. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the directors, deans, HODs, and the staff members of a university for your presence. Your support and encouragement are what make such events possible and successful. I sincerely thank all the staff members of Student Activities Cell of the university for their continuous support and tireless efforts in ensuring the smooth conduct of this program. Thank you, dear staff members. I deeply appreciate the efforts of the choir team for their soulful rendition, and a big thank you to the Welcome Dance team for setting the tone of the event with such a grace. Lastly, a heartfelt thanks to all the incredible students, especially first-year students. Your genuine interest in this program and your enthusiastic presence has added immense value to the event. It is your curiosity, energy, and willingness to participate that truly brings our efforts to life and make every initiative worth a while. This program was efficiently compared by Ms. Renisha Pinto, a student of third year BSc. Thank you, Renisha. Thank you, one and all. Let's enjoy the cultural program coordinated by the vibrant student community of our campus. Thank you, one and all.